Hello friends, this is Dr. Masuma Zahira Sayed, and my today's topic from Vocational Skills in Accounting 3 Module 2 is time limit of payment under medium small micro enterprise and its implications on GST law. The rules are date from which interest on delayed payment is payable. The first case is where there is no agreement. In that case, from the appointed, you have to make the interest payment. Where the date agreed upon is 45 days or less than 45 days, the rule is from the date as agreed upon in writing. And the third case is where the date agreed upon is more than 45 days. So 45 days from the date of acceptance. So now how to calculate that interest? The buyer is liable to pay interest on delayed payment principal amount at a rate three times. If the interest is 4%, then 4 into 3. If the interest is 5%, 5 into 3. So you have to calculate the rate 3 times of the bank rate notified by the RBI, compounded with mostly rest. Appointed day is the day after the expiry of the period of 15 days from the day of acceptance or the day of deemed acceptance of any goods or any services by a buyer from the supplier. Let us take one question so that it becomes clear. ABC Private Limited is the supplier who supplied the goods to Mr. XYZ Limited for an amount of 1,50,000 on 1st March 2024, and there was no agreement for the credit period. So now you need to calculate the total payment. In first case, payment was made on 10th March, and in the second case, payment was made on 20th March. So under MSME Act 2006 Section 15, if the payment is not made within 15 days in absence of any agreement, XYZ Limited would be liable to pay interest to ABC Limited at a rate of 3 times the bank rate notified by the Reserve Bank of India from the day of appointment. The current RBI rate is 4%. Consider 360 days in a year. Let us see the calculation part. First case we will take up. The goods were sold to Mr. XYZ on 1st March. Okay. And if the payment is made on 10th March, that is 15 days is not passed since payment is made before 15 days. Okay, from 1st March to 10th March, it is only 10 days. So only principal amount will be paid. 1,50,000 rupees will be paid back. And in second case, if the payment is made on 20th March, that is after 15 days we are making the payment, interest at 3 times the bank rate. The bank rate given is 4%. So 4 into 3, 3 times of 4 is 12% will be charged from the day of appointment on 5 days. Okay, because from 1st March we sold the goods to XYZ and 15 days get over by 15th March, and after 15 days how many days are left? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 days over and above after 15 days. So the total payment calculation will be principal amount is 1,50,000 rupees. Interest will be 1,50,000 into 12%, that is 3 times of 4, into 5 days upon 360 days in a year. We are asked to take 360 days, so we'll take 360 days. So multiply, divide by 360 days. So the interest 250 rupees. So total payment made by XYZ will be 1,50,000 and 250 rupees. Hope you all have understood it. Thank you.